on the part of the rocket ship, I genuinely thought I got stuck. Doing something cool. Oh, just fun, sorry.
This website is not sponsored. It's just... Bing, 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 bang. China, bing, bang, bang. Get up again. Bing, bing, bang, bang, bing, bang, bang. A. It underlined A, so I press A. And key, because it also can mean that keys and then also laptop keys. Oh, I just ran, yeah, too many spot keys. Oh, I stole someone's purse. Ding, 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 ding. I can't go backwards, what? Bing, bang, bang, get up again. Bing, bang, 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 bing, bang, bang, bang. You still have my purse, I don't want to drop my purse. I got a bomb! Apparently had a bomb. Okay, apparently had a bomb. No, I don't want to slow down.
Apparently I can't do this.
Okay, say the alphabet backwards. A. This spam random keys on a keyboard because you can't remember that alphabet backwards. I don't think we could do the alphabet backwards. Ah. No, I give crap that weather.
Apparently I can't record it.
Bing, bing, bang, bang.
I think features on
Bing, bing, bang, bang.
Windows
Bing, bang,
Desktop Explorer.
Yeah, I shouldn't have not have gone up here.
Broadcasting.
I wasn't that smart. I just ignored the weather update on the TV, so I'm just running in the clouds. Who knew this day would ever come? Bing, bing, bang, bang. I was beginning to think this place never ends. Level 30, what? Oh. A key. Keys. I make, no, hold down your 4 key. 4 key! Smart boy. No. I dropped the baby! I'm evil. I could have kidnapped it. To pass, you must show me 10 number 1 ninja rule. I can't move. Da 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 da. No, I'm just gonna wait. Might see what happens. Oh. Okay, I can pass. Pirate. I got attacked by a monster. How are you meant to get past here? Huh, I know. You just hold this. Adventure will start. He hopes to see you again soon. Huh?
Took me forever to read the biscuit.
Let me ask you, are you actually an pirate? No. Yes, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I'm a pirate. I'm awake. Yeah. 6 minutes. I don't know. I'll show you my best pirate sound. All I need to do is press R. What's the shape of a donut? An O. To end is near. Please ignore all ghosts in Ghostland. I didn't have to. I didn't have to. He's gonna want me to press the key on the keyboard. No, I'm just gonna lick it. Let me lick this ghost. I didn't want to act scared. This sucks. I'm not gonna get past this. I can't get past this level. Oh, I can't get past this step. Ooh. It's so annoying. Now I shall pause the video till all I need to do is press 1. No. He's racing me. Oh. What is there 30 less? I'm just spamming arrow keys. I'm just spamming letter keys. Oh. Alright, that worked.
I was thinking about doing an Arsenal video, but no, it wouldn't let me.
I'm gonna press the control button, see if that does anything. Ah. I got the control. Ah. Yes. No. Damn it. Well, I'm gonna go pause the video till I get past. I got past it. I didn't have to. Also, I'm gonna need to do a second part for this video. I need to do a second part for this video. Oh. Yeah. I need to do second part because, yeah. No, I'm not going back to the start. I'm not going back to the start. No, no, no. Back at the start. Come on. I'll put the second part.